Hello friends, I was just sitting and browsing through the WhatsApps and seeing the messages, and I got the one of the message that one of the subscriber has sent this message that how we get the better job in electrical engineering domain. I lot of times get these questions, sir, how I can switch my job, sir, how can I get a job in Gulf, how can I find a better job in India. These are the questions generally these subscribers or some friends are asking me. My simple answer is that if you are a fresher, do not start applying everywhere immediately. Spend the first 5 to 6 months build your skills. Learn softwares like AutoCAD, ETAP, DIGSILENT PowerFactory, Syst. These skills will make you job ready for the electrical engineering industry. Now, if you already have a 3 to 5 years of experience but still do not know these softwares tools, finding a good job becomes much harder. Yes, you can still get a job, but your opportunity, salaries, and career growth may be limited. In my opinion, the most rewarding career for electrical engineer is in substation design, power system studies, renewable energy design. This is the area where your BTech, MTech, or a diploma in knowledge is truly applied. This is my thinking. It is not. I am not saying that I am 100%, but this is my thinking. To enter in these fields, you should learn AutoCAD, ETAP, DIGSILENT PowerFactory, PV system. Along with that, you should have an understanding of substation design, be familiar with IEC and IEEE standards. Of course, there are other career paths like construction, transmission line execution, cable laying, government jobs. These are also good options, but depends upon the interest. But if you want a career where you genuinely enjoy your work and apply what you studied, then invest in design software, power system skills, and these skills will decide your career, your future, and your salary, your opportunities, your career growth. This is my opinion. You can accept it or you can reject it. You have full right. Thank you.